This is a 6-pack, pre-assembled. You're going to have to assemble it. Everything's laid on the table. We'll go over that in a second. Frost resistant, heat resistant, and weatherproof. Now what you get inside are going to be a cone cover, the top lighting mechanism with the solar panel, an on and off switch to the RGB and to the soft light, a stem that you're going to stick into the ground with the stake. You're going to place them in like so. And then you have this crystal clear top that the light shines down and assembles like so. And you're going to repeat this 6 times. Now it goes on just like that. Then you have this cover that snaps on like so. And the last thing you need to do is put your cover on. And this little notch here and the notch over here by the light, they're going to match up like for like where my index finger's at. And when you match this up correctly, this slides on 100%, and then you're going to give it a twist. To test the light out, and before you do so, please peel the protective film over the solar panel off. It is, sensitive, it'll cling to you. Cover the light towards one side that it be the soft light, and towards the other side that it be the multi-light. Now at nighttime, this is going to shine all the way down in here and shine on the floor as a design. During the daytime, it shuts off. During the nighttime, it turns on and rotates, and you choose the one you like. Leave the switch off for a day or two. Allow the unit to fully charge in the sun from dusk to dawn. This unit will run. If it doesn't receive enough sun, it's not going to run a long time. Do you want to have full sunlight where you want to put these in so they can run longer? During the winter, it's shorter hours of sunlight. During the summer, it's longer hours of light. So let's go put these outside and show you how they look at nighttime. You're going to set your lights up the way you like. You're going to either turn them on to the colors you want and put them in a nice design. They don't have to be close by. They could be far apart. I'm going to put over here towards this side of the wall the cool white and even them out just a little bit more. We'll come back at nighttime and we'll check the lights out. We have here in the low lit situation at nighttime, all 6 lights on. We have the multi-colors towards the left, 3 of them, and just the warm towards the right. Put a light on so you can at least see the colors of the lights here. So these are warm, nice lights, and then these are colorful. And we're going to grab just one of the lights, bring it up nice and close to you so you can see the colors, how they light up. And underneath, this whole thing is going to light up and shine on the floor. They're very easy to place in the ground. They collect the sun all day and then shine all night. So I hope these lights are something that you're looking for to decorate your patio area. Enjoy your solar-powered patio landscape LEDs.